Need to join a Google Meet meeting. Whether you've received a meeting link from work, school, or a friend, joining a Google Meet call is quick and simple. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join a Google Meet meeting in 2026. So let's get started. First, open the meeting invitation you received. You can join by clicking the Google Meet link or by opening Google Meet and entering the meeting code. Either method will take you to the meeting preview screen. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. Some meetings allow guests to join without signing in, while others require you to use an approved Google account. This depends on the meeting organizer's settings. Before joining, review your camera and microphone settings. Turn them on or off depending on your preference, and make sure the correct devices are selected. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure everything looks and sounds good. When you're ready, click Join Now. If the meeting requires the host to admit guests, simply wait until you're accepted into the meeting. Approval usually only takes a few seconds. Once you're in the meeting, you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, share your screen if the host allows it, raise your hand, or send messages in the meeting chat. These controls are located along the bottom of the meeting window. When the meeting is over, click the red Leave Call button to exit, then click to return to home screen. You can always rejoin later using the same meeting link if the meeting is still active. So, you've successfully joined and participated in a Google Meet meeting. And that's how to join a Google Meet meeting. Whether you're attending a business meeting, an online class, or a virtual family gathering, the process is fast and straightforward. Checking your camera and microphone before joining helps everything run more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.